In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off typing sounds on any iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. After that, scroll down a bit until you find Sounds and Haptics. Now guys, here we need to scroll all the way down until we find the option which is called Keyboard Feedback. Just tap on it to go to that step where we can easily configure which type of keyboard feedback we are going to get. Here, in order to turn off keyboard sounds, make sure that sounds are turned off, like in my case. And also right from here, if you don't want to get haptic feedback as well, here's where you can easily turn it off. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.